guys, welcome to our channel. I'm a Kaggle Master and Junior Data Scientist. Guys, in this video, I will show you one of the very demanding skills and one of the very demanding course in the market, artificial intelligence. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I'm a Kaggle Master and Junior Data Scientist. Guys, in this video, I will show you one of the very demanding skills and one of the very demanding course in the market, artificial intelligence, under the affordable price. Recently, iNeuron launched a full stack data scientist course with 1 year intensive with a 100% placement guarantees. But for the placement, there is a some of the term and conditions are applicable, guys. So mainly in this video, we will I will show you the course curriculum, mentor, fee structure, and placement guarantee term and condition. Also, we will discuss about the fee concession. Okay, so let's start. This is the full stack data science with 1 year intensive program with a job guarantee program, guys. Okay, full stack data science with 1 year intensive job guarantee program. Okay, when you click on this, you get this link. Okay, these are the term and condition we will discuss in later in this video. Let's start with the course curriculum, guys. So in a course curriculum, iNeuron covered almost 13 to 15 modules like Python, stats, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, data analytics, big data, ML loops, cloud, data structure and algorithm, architecture, domain-wise project, database, and these are your interview preparation things. Okay, so let's see the first of all the course curriculum. So course curriculum start with the basics of Python, string objects, list, tuples, dictionary, functions, OOPS concepts, then exception handling, GUI framework. In a previous iNeuron courses, iNeuron actually going through the 3 and 4 courses. Okay, so MLDL and DLCB batch, iNeuron not included the GUI framework, but in a full stack data scientist course, iNeuron added some of the new module, guys. Like first new module is a GUI framework. Okay, also I will show you that later in this video. Okay, next the database, Web API, Flask, Django, Streamlit, Pandas basics, Pandas advanced, also Dask. You know, Dask is also work on like a same as a Pandas. Okay, so it's also cover the Dask, NumPy, visualization, statistics basics, probability distribution function, statistics advanced. In a statistics advanced, hypothesis testing, p-value, t-test, student distribution, t-test, type 1, type 2, Bayesian statistics, confidence interval, chi-square test, okay? And all those things are covered in the advanced topic. These are the advanced statistics part, okay? After that, linear algebra, solving the stats problem with the Python, stats problem implementation with the SPACY, introduction to machine learning, feature engineering. In the feature engineering, handling the unbalanced data, upsampling, downsampling, SMFTO, data interpolation, handling outliers, filter method, WAPA method, embedded method, feature scaling, standardization, mean normalization, mean max scaling, unit vector, feature extraction, and all those things, guys. See, these are the very long list for the feature engineering, guys, and it's needed for the market. When you work in the real-time project, it's needed all those topics, guys. Okay, then feature selection, exploratory data analysis, regression, logistic regression. These are the all the your machine learning algorithm. After that, time series, machine NLP basics, machine learning pipeline, model retraining approach. This is the very important part for when you are doing the any data science and any machine learning project. Retraining approach is the very important. Then AutoML. Then you should start with the neural network, simple perceptron, then MXNet, Keras Tuner, CNN, computer advanced computer vision part 1, part 2, object detection, custom object detection, advanced computer vision part 3, object segmentation, object tracking. These are the advanced computer vision topics. After that, NLP, advanced NLP. In advanced NLP, BERT, transformer based model, text pre-processing, RNN, word embedding, attention based model, transformer learning model. In a transformer learning model, BERT, Elmo, GPT-1, GPT-2, Albert, These are the things. Okay. Then model, deployment of the model and performance tuning. API, speech and vision, big data, Hadoop, Spark, Kafka, MLOps, SQL, all the, these are the your data analytics part, guys. SQL, advanced Excel, Tableau, Power BI. Then GAN, reinforcement learning. These are the advanced topic, guys. So iNeuron cover almost 13 to 15 model, guys. Okay. Let's talk about the mentor. So mainly in this course, Sudhanshu sir and Chris sir will take all the classes. Okay. Sudhanshu sir and Chris sir is your mentor, guys. Okay. Let's talk about the fee structure. So the fee structure is the 15,000 fee plus 18% GST. For the existing student means who have already enrolled in iNeuron course, who have already enrolled in the previous iNeuron course. Okay, so those students, iNeuron offer the 3,000 scholarship. In this 70,700, iNeuron offer you the 3,000 scholarship. Okay, so if you are existing student, then iNeuron offer you 3,000 scholarship. If you are a new, then your fee structure is a 70,700. Okay. Let's talk about the internship. So I need to offer you the 1 year internship after completing the Python module. After completing the Python module means basics of Python, string, list, tuples, memory management, push concept, exception handling. Means when you complete this part, then your internship started, guys. After completing the only Python module, then your internship will be start. Then live class teaching by the instructor. Live class means your class and this course, data scientist, full stack data scientist course started on 20th of February 2021. Class timing will be 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. Class timing is 3 to 6 Saturday and Sunday. Doubt clearing session 10 to 12 Wednesday only. Okay. If you have any doubt in any topic, then you can connect directly to the Skype support team, and you have to also mail the Sudhanshu sir, okay, for your dashboard mainly. Okay, so if you have any doubt, any query in any topic, guys, you can just support the Skype support team. Skype support team will be available 24 hours, and you ask any types of questions related to only your course curriculum, guys. Okay, related to only course curriculum. Okay, and iNeuron support team will help you out in every phase, guys. Okay, so this is the support part, and this is your class timing part. Let's talk about the projects. So iNeuron offer you the 56 plus hands-on industry real-time projects. This is the 400-hour live interactive classes. Every week you have a doubt clearing session every Wednesday. Every Wednesday, 10 to 12, 10 to 12 Wednesday, you have a doubt clearing session. Then doubt clearing through the mail and Skype support team. Means if you have any doubt in any topic, you can just connect the Skype team. The Skype team will help you out in every topic, guys, via the call and via the message. Okay. Next, assignment and all assignment in all the module. Quiz are also available. Live project with the real-time implementation. Then these are the your resume building part. Okay. So these are the parts iNeuron mainly offer. Okay. Let's talk about the job guarantee program. So for the job guarantee program term and condition for the India student only, candidate must be eligible to work in India as per the guidelines of Government of India. Second, remote internship which is provided by the iNeuron is the mandatory. For the job guarantee program, this is compulsory. You have to attend the internship program, guys. Okay. Job guarantee will be only applicable for those candidates who have already completed their graduation or post-graduation in any discipline. Okay. Candidate must complete at least 40% of the assignment, project, etc. given in the course. Also, their grades in the assignment should be greater than equal to 40% to avail the guaranteed placement opportunity before the course completion date. Okay. So you have to complete the 40%, at least 40% of the assignments. Grading of the assignments calculated on the basis of assignment submission, project submission, and blog writing and internship completion projects. Okay, so your grade will be calculated on the basis of these things, guys. Okay, I need not provide you the job guarantee. Provide the candidate ensure that all the required course assignment and submission are completed within the stimulated time period in the 9 month for the starting date. Okay. Then next, fetch these things. There should be not a more than 2 year career gap in the candidate profile. If you have a more than 2 year career gap, then you are not eligible for the job guarantee program, guys. But think about this, guys. This iron provide you the lots of module. When you learn these types of the module and when you enter the market, and when you send the resume to a recruiter, then recruiters see your profile, recruiters show your resume, and then see the okay, you have to done these types of projects, real time projects. Then definitely you get a job, right? So if you are a more than 2 year gap, then just focus on the class, focus on the curriculum, and learn more money. Okay, as soon as possible, guys. Okay, and try to work on the real time program. Try to work on these types of program. I already provided the 15 plus hands-on industry real time project, guys. Okay, so just work on the real time project. Okay, so for the job guarantee program, there should not be more than 2 year gap, your career gap in the candidate profile, guys. Okay, let's talk about the term and condition from the outside of the India. So iNEER will provide the job referral for those students who are the residing the outside of the India, like USA, Canada, Europe, and anywhere. Okay. For the refunded policy, money back guarantee is applicable only the candidate who are able to follow and fulfill all the terms and conditions mentioned above. Okay. Placement validity of this course of the 9 months for the date of the completion, and if INERON is unable to provide the candidate with a placement in the circumstances of the entire amount will be refunded excluding the GST, guys. Okay, so this is the your refunded policy. Then INERON offer you some of the roles like a Python developer, junior data scientist developer. Mainly INERON not offer you, INERON referral you these types of the role, guys. Junior data scientist, senior data scientist, freelancing job, data analyst, managerial role, big data developer, full stack developer, research, AI, machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer, computer vision engineer, and NLP engineer. So these are the 13 various roles are available. Okay, these are the your term and condition for the job guarantee program. And if you have any query, guys, regarding this course, you can write in the comment section, and you can also connect a Skype support team. Skype support team ID is available in the description section, and also this course curriculum link is available in the description section. So if you have any query, any question related to this course, you can write in the comment section, guys. Okay. Okay. So guys, that's all about in this video. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed. Thank you. Thank you all.